Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Grace. In case you're new here, karibu sana. We're so happy to have you. Now on today's episode, I want to share with you guys a very easy and quick way of serving your bread and egg instead of the normal ordinary way. This is a very easy and nice way for you to serve snacks or breakfast for your kids even as they go to school, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Please let me know on the comments what you think about today's video. Before we go any further, kindly consider subscribing. Also hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we post a new video. Eggs, spices, use any vegetables of choice.